Now we will continue next topic of same chapter, that is habitat and need. As you know that what is the habitat? Yes, habitat means the place where an organism lives, or the place where you can found that particular organism, that is habitat. For example, uh, habitat of fish is water body, any water body, you can say that pond, river and ocean, any sea, anything. Or habitat of cactus plant is desert, है ना. So habitat means the place where we find a particular uh, organism, it is known as that is habitat. Some has micro habitat. Micro habitat means के smaller units, that for example muddy bottom of surface water of a pond is a micro habitat of an aquatic environment. Some organism, as you know that fish is for example aquatic habitat में. Yes, so many organisms are there, not only fish and other fish. Continuously fish swim in water, but some small animals like snails and other animals, they are lived at bottom. बॉटम में सैंड में रहते हैं, है ना, ये स्नेल्स. तो दे लिव्ड इन सैंड. तो दिस aquatic habitat is a major unit. हाँ, the aquatic habitat के bottom, sandy bottom is a micro habitat for these organisms. तो this is the micro habitat for the organism. And habitat also divided according to their needs. For example, some fishes are found in fresh water and some fishes are found in marine water. So these is the habitat. I think you better understand that what is the habitat. Now another term is nick. Another term is nick. So what is nick? Nick explain micro habitats, means according to him a habitat is a descriptive, according to him, means a scientist named Grinnell, he proposed the term nick. So according to him, description of where an organism is found, that is habitat, and nick is a complete description of how the organism relate to its physical and biological environment, yani that area in which it is relate with biological and physical environment. So thus nick includes not only the physical space occupied by an organism, also its functional. So habitat is this one, but nick habitat of fish and snail is water. I am giving that example only. Habitat for fish and snail both is water, aquatic habitat. But if we can see that fish swim in water, it found in water current, and these snails are found at the bottom only. Fish, sometimes fish go there, but it's not only. The this snails relation, physiological and biological relation is there only, not up on surface of the water. So same habitat, different organism maybe have dissimilar role. For example, fish is a predator, or a snake is a prey. है ना, सेम हैबिटेट में दोनों का फिजियोलॉजिकल रोल अलग अलग है। फिश प्रेडेटर है, फिश कैच करता है स्नेल को, और स्नेल प्रे है फिश के लिए, स्नेल का प्रे कोई और है। सेम टाइम्स इन एक्वेटिक हैबिटेट, जो एक्वेटिक प्लांट्स हैं, दे देयर रोल इज़ प्रोड्यूसर्स फॉर ऑल ऑफ देम। So these the various grasses in present in a wide variety of habitat perform basic function. Man himself another good example of nick. Man सिर्फ carnivores है, he lives in food nick. Man का food nick का मतलब food से related उसका जो area है, तो it sometimes he is carnivore, sometimes is herbivore, sometimes it's omnivore. तो ये है नेक, जहाँ फिजियोलॉजिकल एंड तो सम स्पेशल aspects of neck is described by scientist Odom. He described the um, spatial nick यानी habitat nick where physical space is occupied, and the trophic nick functional role, and the multi-dimensional. So according to Odom, uh, according to Odom scientist, Nick is uh, spatial Nick. We can say that habitat, huh? Where is physical appearance, जहाँ पर वो physical present है, that is. Another Nick is uh, trophic Nick. Sorry. Trophic Nick where फंक्शनल रोल कितना वो उसका फंक्शनल रोल, एंड देन मल्टी डायमेंशनल मल्टी डायमेंशनल नेक, position in the environment gradients, position in the environment, यही कह सकते हैं हम। तो दिस इज़ द निक। स्पेशल निक मीन्स कि जहाँ पर वो ऑर्गेनिज्म खुद प्रेजेंट है। टॉपिकल निक इज़ जहाँ पर उसका फंक्शनल रोल है। और मल्टी डायमेंशनल निक का मतलब उसकी पोजीशन क्या है। फॉर एग्जांपल वो प्रे है कि प्रोड्यूसर है कि कंज्यूमर है, या दोनों ही है, किसी के लिए प्रेडेटर है तो किसी के लिए प्रे है। Now habitat means the space where aquatic life is present, that is known as habitat. Where aquatic life is present, that is habitat. No, so camera is disturbing us. So land, water and air as habitat. So the part of the earth where life exists is called biosphere. Biosphere has three major types of habitat: aquatic habitat, terrestrial habitat, and aerial and arboreal habitat. In starting now, aquatic terrestrial and aerial and arboreal. Aquatic habitat, water forms, uh, it we can divide it as into freshwater and marine. Fresh and marine habitat. Freshwater, again two types, lentic and lotic. Lentic and lotic. Uh, Lentic means slow moving, still or standing water, and lotic means where is running water. तो एक्वेटिक हैबिटेट जहाँ पर वाटर है और वाटर में जो एनिमल्स हैं, तो दिस वाटर इज़ द हैबिटेट फॉर दिस एनिमल्स. इसमें फ्रेश वाटर और मैराइन वाटर. फ्रेश वाटर, you know that pond and river, lakes, these are the fresh water. And marine water, it, you know that the salt is called as presence of salt, that is marine water. So fresh water or marine water habitat. And fresh water is again two types, lentic and lotic. Lentic means standing water, जिसमें pond and lake ये आएगा. Lotic means running water, जिसमें rivers, stream, ये सब आएगा. And marine water, you know that it is sea and that is sea and oceans. Terrestrial habitat, the organism live on land, that is called as terrestrial habitat or terrestrial organism. इसमें भी we can divide it, forest, tropical rainforest, this one, and grassland, and then desert forest में tropical rainforest, taiga and tundra, grassland, so many grassland. These things you already studied in geography in class 10th, है ना? Types of forest and types of grassland. Desert area, cold and hot desert, just I explained it. So this type of terrestrial habitat. So and I also this thing is explained not in same heading, but these things I also explained in uh, ecology, environment ecology and environment, that chapter ना, जहाँ पर पिरामिड्स थे और लेवल्स थे, प्रोड्यूसर्स कंज्यूमर्स इनको पढ़ा रहे थे, वहाँ पर भी ये एक्सप्लेन किया है. Aerial and arboreal habitat, it is not suitable medium to support life, but some aquatic and terrestrial organisms have become secondarily adapted for aerial existence. Means their activities in the aerial environment. Aerial environment is not on earth, not in water. So these are insects, birds, bats. They are some common examples belonging to this category. Those animals which are lived on trees, they cannot fly, but they live on trees, so they are known as arboreal. For example, squirrels, monkeys, and these type of lemurs, these types of animals, they are arboreal. Aerial, those animals which have wings, है ना, birds, जिसमें birds आते हैं, insects आते हैं, तो ये है habitat, types of habitat found on earth. Okay.